This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for October 19th, 2022. It's currently August 25th, 2022. That's 3:05 p.m. Eastern Time. So it looks like we have a notable gap down here first thing in the morning. And then we have a high early in the morning. We have a notable fake out. There's like, it'll stand out on a 1 month chart. There's a fake out of some sort here. At least it'll be a fake out on a 1 day chart, but it'll likely stand out as being an important one on a multi-day chart. And that fake out looks to be midday. Behavior off of the high, the day's high, is going to be a notable decline. Like it'll stand out on a 1 day chart, most likely on a multi-day chart as well. And the behavior around the low, there's going to be multiple failed attempts to break through key resistance on a 1 day chart, right around where the low is. Early in the day, we have male ruler of nations highlighted. And right at the open, we're at a critical resistance level right at the open. We sell from a crest, an overbought crest or peak, down to a support level in the first half hour. It looks like right around 10 o'clock we should hit a support level, and then we do some erratic back and forth behavior back and forth through the same price level here between roughly 10-ish and 11-ish. And then out of a decline between roughly 11-ish and 12-ish, there's a move to the upside from the bottom of the range all the way to the top of the range. We should likely hit the day's high again somewhere in the midst of this erratic behavior, mid-morning behavior that we have here. In the midst of that erratic behavior, if I miss the opportunity at that resistance level, in the midst of that erratic behavior, I would likely be opening up my puts, or I opened up puts the prior day as well, but I'd likely open up puts here, and then position myself for both directions midday in the midst of some volatility. Looks like we hit a science price level. It's also important the following day, early in the morning. And after that, volatility midday really turns into a cluster. We have a lot of bearish behavior going on here. Two really big moves, decline through multiple support levels, and a day's low at the end of the day. Looks like we have a gap up the following day on the 20th. We likely gap up to the price level of the science card, wherever that ends up being. That's the S&P 500 for October 19th, 2022, my friends. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. My friends, this reading was conducted. The reading itself was done. Created. Oh, that's the video. Look at this. Created August 5th, 2022, my friends. So, with that money that you make from this reading, the karmic rule is this: take a little bit of it and pay it forward to somebody not expecting it, who could really use it. Pay it forward and keep the flow going through the universe. Show some gratitude and take a little bit of that and pay it back to our team here at Approveb's Cash App. You can see it in the description. You can also sign up for Webull through our referral code. That's another way you can support us. Most importantly, though, whatever you do with the rest of that money, make sure you do it out of love. And I'll see you on the next one, my friends.